Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that I positioned myself early, expecting a strong start to the week as institutional inflows might balance out the weekend move. That's exactly what played out. First, the price advanced around 2.2% and moved beyond the previous high near 125,500, later reaching about 126,200. This move marked another record level, supported by renewed institutional demand and broader risk rotation, as investors shifted toward assets like Bitcoin and gold amid growing fiscal uncertainty in major economies. At the moment, the market is consolidating near the horizontal area, around 124,500, which acted as the all-time high back in August. After the move from 126 to 124,000, I decided to take some exposure off around 125,000 and plan to scale back once momentum confirms strength above 124,500 again. On the lower time frames, such as the 15-minute view, the structure shows a retrace below 124,500, possibly extending toward the next support near 123,200. Volatility remains elevated, so maintaining disciplined risk control is key in these areas. When we review the liquidity map for the one-day view, we can see areas of concentrated activity above 126.4 and 128.9 thousand, mostly formed in the last 24 hours. On the lower side, the cluster between 123.7 and 122.4 thousand has mostly been absorbed, with another concentration seen near 122.4 thousand, 120.2 thousand. On the three-day view, activity appears more balanced between both directions, with interest stretching upward from 126 to 130,000 and downward from 123 to 118.3 thousand. The latest Bitcoin spot ETF data indicates a dramatic surge, with net inflows reaching over $1.19 billion yesterday, primarily driven by BlackRock with $970 million and Fidelity with $112.3 million. This historic inflow reflects surging institutional demand and renewed confidence in Bitcoin as a mainstream asset. Such large fund allocations typically drive strong upward price pressure and reinforce the ongoing bullish trend for Bitcoin by strengthening its role in traditional investment portfolios. Meanwhile, traditional finance continues its gradual integration with the asset. Morgan Stanley reportedly issued new internal guidance, allowing its 16,000 advisors, overseeing roughly $2 trillion in assets, to offer access to Bitcoin ETF for their clients. Standard Chartered also reiterated its expectations for higher valuations, driven by these structural trends. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you found this video insightful, and subscribe with notifications on to stay informed. And see you in the next one.